Lease Office Management Software is designed to simplify the day-to-day operations of real estate and apartment management, making everything easier, faster, and more organized. This powerful PHP system helps you manage tenant leases, maintenance requests, rental details, and communication, all from one central platform. It supports multiple user roles, including administrators, maintenance supervisors, lease staff, maintenance staff, and residents or tenants, ensuring everyone has the right access to what they need. Administrators can manage apartments, staff, services, tenants, rent details, resident applications, and communications with ease. Residents can submit service requests, view rent information, and send messages or support tickets directly to the lease office or maintenance team. Lease staff can respond to resident inquiries, while maintenance staff can view service requests, resolve issues, and close tickets, all in just a few clicks. Built using CakePHP with a MySQL database, this modern and flexible software is suitable for all types of property management and real estate businesses. We provide the complete source code, so you can customize it for your own projects or client needs. Key features include a smart dashboard, role-based login access, service category and subcategory management, staff and apartment management, new resident applications, maintenance service requests, rent tracking, a built-in messaging system, site settings, and contact management. Everything you need to manage your lease office in one powerful solution. For more ready-made PHP software source code like this, visit us at www.phpscriptsonline.com.